Fit on a budget, uncommon tips for urban fitness enthusiasts. Want to get fit without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into unique tips to help you stay fit on a budget right here in the urban jungle. Get ready to transform your relationship with fitness and your finances. Unlock your fitness potential. Free workout apps. Free workout apps are like having a personal trainer in your pocket, offering a variety of workouts for all fitness levels. My go-tos are Nike Training Club and Fit On, featuring everything from HIIT to yoga and dance workouts. These apps provide structured plans, guided instructions, and motivational communities. Track your progress, set goals, and find workout buddies all within the app. Download one today and let's get moving. Embrace the urban playground. Outdoor workouts. Turn your urban environment into a fitness playground. Parks are fantastic for outdoor workouts. Use benches for tricep dips, steps for cardio, and open spaces for bodyweight exercises or yoga. Many parks have free fitness equipment zones like pull-up bars. Use stairs in your building for cardio or incorporate walking into your daily commute. Grab a friend, enjoy the fresh air, and get those endorphins flowing. Home gym essentials. Affordable equipment. Creating a home gym can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to stay fit and healthy without the need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. Building a home gym doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can set up a functional workout space right in your backyard or any available outdoor area. Resistance bands are versatile and portable for a full-body workout. They come in various resistance levels, making them suitable for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. You can use them for strength training, stretching, and even rehabilitation exercises. A jump rope offers an amazing cardio workout and brings back fun childhood memories. It's an excellent way to improve your cardiovascular health, coordination, and agility. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere. A yoga mat can be used for yoga, Pilates, and core work. It's essential for providing a comfortable and non-slip surface for your exercises. Whether you're practicing sun salutations or doing ab workouts, a good mat is a must-have. For weights, use filled water bottles or cans of food. These household items can serve as effective substitutes for dumbbells, allowing you to perform a variety of strength training exercises without spending extra money. It's not about having the fanciest equipment, it's about using what you have effectively. You can create a challenging and enjoyable workout routine with simple, everyday items. Get creative, have fun, and build a home gym that works for you and your budget. Invite friends and family to join you, making your fitness journey a social and enjoyable experience. Remember, the key to a successful workout is consistency and making the most of what you have. Unleash your inner strength bodyweight exercises. Discover the power within you by harnessing the potential of your own body. Who needs fancy equipment when you've got your own body weight? Your body is the best tool you have, and it's always with you. Bodyweight exercises are effective and can be done anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a park, or traveling, you can always fit in a workout. Start with push-ups, squats, and planks, which work multiple muscle groups. These foundational exercises are great for building strength and endurance. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions of each exercise. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to your routine. Get creative with variations like incline push-ups and sumo squats. These variations can target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. Incorporate lunges, burpees, and mountain climbers for a full-body burn. These exercises not only build strength but also improve cardiovascular fitness. Focus on proper form, engage your core, and control your movements. Proper technique is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Bodyweight exercises build strength, endurance, and confidence without spending a dime. Embrace the freedom and versatility of bodyweight training and watch your fitness level soar. DIY fitness hacks. Get crafty with your workout gear. Unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and create your own fitness gear. Filled water bottles make excellent hand weights. For heavier weights, fill a backpack with books or cans of food. Use household items like a towel for slider exercises or a chair for tricep dips. Fitness is about being resourceful and making the most of what you have. Find your fitness tribe community fitness groups. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can make a world of difference. Joining a community fitness group is a fantastic way to stay motivated and supported. Check out local fitness groups offering free or low-cost classes like yoga or boot camps. Online fitness communities can also be incredibly supportive. Join Facebook groups, follow fitness influencers, or participate in online challenges. Find your fitness tribe and conquer your fitness goals together. Meal prepping on a budget. Fuel your body without emptying your wallet. Discover how you can eat healthily without spending a fortune. Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and smart shopping, you can enjoy nutritious meals every day. Plan your meals in advance to stay organized and reduce food waste. By knowing what you need, you can avoid unnecessary purchases and make the most of what you have. Cook in bulk to save time and money. Preparing large batches of food means you can enjoy home-cooked meals throughout the week without the hassle of daily cooking. Portion meals into individual containers for easy grab-and-go options. This not only saves time but also helps with portion control, ensuring you eat the right amount. Stock up on affordable staples like beans, lentils, rice, oats, and frozen fruits and vegetables. These items are not only budget-friendly but also versatile and nutritious. These ingredients can create countless healthy and delicious meals. Experiment with different recipes to keep your meals exciting and varied. Meal prepping sets you up for success. By dedicating a few hours each week to prepare your meals, you can ensure you always have healthy options available. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you can nourish your body without breaking the bank. Share your meal prep ideas with friends and family to inspire them too. Fuel your body wisely and stay on budget. Enjoy the benefits of healthy eating without the financial stress. Make meal prepping a part of your routine and see the difference it makes. And there you have it, my friends. 7 incredible tips to help you stay fit on a budget. With creativity, resourcefulness, and determination, you can achieve your fitness goals without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more budget-friendly fitness tips. Now go out there, crush your fitness goals, and remember, you've got this.